in bins and.
Oh yeah.
They're very careful about that because they just want to be. They're in a basement, so they don't want things on the floor.
Understandable. Yes, that way you put plastic Tupperware. That's the smart idea.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Okay, navigate me through, and give me your description of what's going on. I know what you want, but I want you to tell me what you want, okay? For the end results to be okay, because given the fact that the water did cover the whole basement floor,
so you can tell.
I see that. Yes.
See that. And this is my daughter's
washer.
Apparently, it's working. My son-in-law must have been down here because I heard the washer running.
Okay, go on.
This is all the Goodwill stuff.
Now, let me say this here too.
That's gonna go out. Like
yes. Let me say this here. Yes. If this sewer back up, you don't try to want to preserve this, okay?
No.
Okay.
No.
Just want to be sure. Some people have a different outlook. I want to make sure we're on the same page.
This is probably their towel. That wasn't down there.
But okay.
In the back,
I see that stuff back there.
It's an old wood thing. We could never move it out because it was so heavy. And there's a workbench, so all the Christmas stuff is piled on the work. And there's an old table back there, but that can go out.
Okay.
I don't want it.
Okay, that's fine.
These are just my son-in-law's work shirts.
Okay.
Because he works in a tiki bar.
Okay.
But all, so I don't care about any of that. Mainly what I'm concerned about is...
Please tell me.
I wouldn't know how to clean underneath...
Now let me say this here.
The two furnaces.
We can accommodate everything here. But before we start with the disinfecting and the sanitizing, we must first get everything out the basement that you want gone.
That.
And then once we do that, we can clean one area of the basement nice and sanitary clean. Okay, dry it. And the stuff that you want to preserve, if it's metal, wood, or anything like that, we can disinfect it and put it over here out the way and work our way from side to side.
Okay.
You follow what I'm saying? It's like in a strategic systematic way.
You did that.
You do it in stages, okay?
I knew you'd have an idea.
Yes, we do this repetitiously.
So I swept. I swept as much as I could up all the crud and.
Yes.
That's as much as I could do because I'm over.
I see. This. We're gonna pressure.
This is gonna go out. You don't even want this, and there's another one back there that somebody brought. I don't want that either.
No problem. We're gonna take care of everything for you. Oh, that's neat. Neat to have. Yeah. So when we leave out of here, we're gonna leave the basement sanitary clean.
That would be.
We chronicle everything we do before and after pictures.
I would
okay.
love to have that.
Yeah, it will be too. I can assure you.
My washer wasn't working. I tried it.
So we can dispose of it for you then.
I don't know. I have to wait until I get the okay from the insurance.
And that's not a problem. That's not a problem.
Because I can't afford to pay this.
I understand. Now I see everything here.